Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamonds. Today we are going to see an important scholarship, Nurturing Clinical Scientist, NCS, Scheme 2021 for pursuing a PhD. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKIs, Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India, affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. Nurturing Clinical Scientists, NCS, Scheme 2021 for pursuing a PhD. So now, this is the deadline is the 30th June 2021. Nurturing Clinical Scientists, NCS Scheme 2021 is instituted to foster high quality research opportunities for fresh MBBS or BDS candidates. So this is a scholarship is there for fresh MBBS or BDS candidates within the 2 years of completing their degrees. Within 2 years of completing their degrees. The selected candidates will enroll themselves for pursuing a PhD degree in any UGC recognized university or MCI recognized or DCI recognized medical colleges or institutes. No accommodation facility will be provided by MCMR. So this is a scholarship has been sponsored by MCMR. So they have been already mentioned. No accommodation facilities will be given. The program, the selected follow an opportunity to receive a consolidated salary of rupees 1 lakh per month. So here in this scholarship, the students are going to get per month 1 lakh scholarship during the PhD program. So this is a very important scholarship. So those who are there in the MBBS or BDS, they are going to complete the course, they can apply for the scholarship. Now what is the eligibility? Be an MBBS or BDS candidate who still has 2 years to complete his or her degree from MCI or DCI recognized medical or dental colleges. Has all he or she has to pass all MBBS or MDS examination in the first attempt with 60% or more aggregate marks, not to be more than 32 years of age as on the date of application. The program of selected follow an opportunity to receive 1 lakh per month and a research contingency of rupees 3 lakh for 3 years. So this will be for research material to be Xerox, purchase, whatever the thing will be there, that is a contingency will be given. The following, the fellowship amount will be paid to the concerned institute or organization or university or medical college every 6 months in the installment. So within a year, they will give you 2 installment to the institute, and the institute will give the scholarship per month to the students. The documentation, the concept note of the research proposal, about 1001 only. So he has to write the concept note for the research proposal to be attested by the guide and sign and seal. Personal statement about 300 words only self-attested, and updated CV self-attested. So these three are required in addition to academic and professional certificates and degrees, caste and disability certificate if applicable, it has to be attached. And how you have to apply? You have to go step by step, click the button apply on this Google, if you go to the Buddy for Study portal, go on that portal and make the register and register with the Gmail account or your Facebook account or mobile, and from there you have to download the application, required material, and completed the form and submit along with all the required enclosures to the following email to the mcmrcri.hrd@gmail.com. So single PDF file will supporting all documents to be emailed to mcrcri.hrd@gmail.com. So remember the deadline is 30th June 2021, and the selection of MCMR, NCS will be made by a specially constituted selection committee by the Director General MCMR based on their concept note, detailed research proposal, academic and professional records. What will be the terms and conditions for this NCS? The eligible candidate must be route their application as per the instruction given below before the given deadline. Application received after the closing date will not be entertained. If MPH or PhD registration is not obtained, then the student should write applied for in the application form. Interns, MD, MS, MDS are not eligible for this scheme. The total number of seats will be limited to 50, out of which 40 seats will be available for MBBS students and 10 seats will be available for BDS students. And the contact us, the address will be given: Indian Council of Medical Research, MCMR, Dr. NC Jain, Scientist G, and Head HRD, Ansari Nagar, New Delhi, Delhi 110029, and the phone number is 011, that is the STD code 26588895, 01126588895, email ID mcmr@sanad.nic.in. All these address and contact numbers will be given in the description. You can go through that description and apply for the scholarship. This is a big opportunity for those who are doing MBBS or BDS, and they can go for the PhD program. I hope this is clear. Enjoy, apply for the scholarship. Thank you. Have a nice day.